Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my amazing projects that I made. So let's go to my profile and let's find a nice project to watch. Oh, let's watch this one. So it's like you have to dress up Pinkie Pie, but you actually change her into a new pony. Like you put her a horn and then you put her wings. You can put her wings and you can do this. You can change her wing color. And then when you press the space, it starts flapping. And you can change the gender also. And you can change the color, but you can't change the hair or the tail. It does that. So like this Pinkie Pie, it kind of looks cool because I mean you get to change it up a little bit. You can just change the horn color, and you can change the body color, the head and the body, and you can even change the wing color. And you can, when you press space, it starts flapping. Isn't that cool? Okay, let me show you another project. Okay, so let me find something. Oh, how about this? I'm going to show you this thing. Okay, so this is my project, and also as you can see, this is my code. I took some time, lots of time to make this project. So like it's gliding. So this thing is gliding at the beginning, as you can see. so it's gliding, and then at the end thing comes at the end after the song is done. It just appears. And then for this head, it keeps bobbing. Like, remember that the tutorial I made earlier? Yeah, that's kind of like that, except it's like more faster. So first it's 0.1 seconds to something, and then it's 0.4 seconds to make it look cool. So to make it go fast and slow, fast and slow. So this one, the ears keep flapping. That's because of the costumes. I made costumes for it to move it. So this is the other ear that I put on the other side. As you can see, for both ears, I put a different position because if it were the same position, it would have been different. Like, it would have acted different. It would have just been, there's not an ear on the left side and there's only two ears on the right side, and kind of looks weird. The numbers are just, you can add the faces. I mean, you can remix and add the faces. And this is the body. I drew it. All you had to do is just draw the square thing, and then I made a neck, and then I made these frizzy things and put them there. And I also had to move the sprite because I mean, why not? It's the body. So yeah, guys, that's my second project I showed you in this. So there are lots more, and not just this. This is just one of my accounts. So this is a cute little head. It is adorable. And yeah, I hope you liked those projects that I showed you today. I had made much more than this, much more. Let me go search up the one I used to make. Okay, this is the one. So I made lots and lots of projects, just lots of them. And as you can see, look at that. You want to see my very first project? This is my very first project. It's a pony dancing. Yeah, it's dancing. I made this, as you can see, it's 2020. That's not today. That was like a few years ago, and I can't believe people already liked it. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video of me showing you some of my amazing projects. So bye. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more. Bye. Yay. Oh,